This is our sanitary napkin vending machine, manual mode. This is a 100-piece manual sanitary napkin vending machine. It can house 50 pieces on the top shelf and 50 pieces on the bottom shelf. This is the knob where the 5 rupee coin is inserted and the knob is turned to dispense the napkin. The napkin is collected from the window over here, and the availability of the napkin can be seen through this window. We are using 3-fold napkins like this. Any 3-fold napkin can be used. 5 rupees coins can be inserted in the slot given at the side of the machine. Now let us open the door and look inside the vending machine. Turn the key and then you can open the door. Here you can see springs which are connected to the knobs over here. So we will be loading the napkins right from the edge of the springs. Do not leave any gaps. Load the napkins one by one into the slots provided. We are using 3-fold napkins. You can use any 3-fold napkins. The first one is going here in this slot. The next one in the slot just beside it. And like this, we can keep on loading the napkins one by one. Let us load the next one. Similarly, we'll start with the first one. So like this. Just make sure that you do not leave any gaps. Do not leave any gaps. So insert it one after the other, so that the napkins are dispensed seamlessly. If you can see here, all of these have been loaded individually. We will now close the door with the help of the key given. Now let us put the coins. I have taken 5 rupees coins. Any 5 rupees coin will do. We will put it in the slots. As you can see, there are slots provided for inserting the coins. I will insert the 5 rupees coin into the slot given here. So it has been inserted. Now I'll turn the knob 4 times. Can't be turned anymore. So after turning the knob 4 times, the napkin has been dispensed. We will collect it from the collection window. I will do the same with the second slot. I have taken another 5 rupees coin and I will put the 5 rupees coin into the slot provided. Now I'll turn the knob 4 times. Till it can't be turned anymore. And I will connect the napkin from the collection window. Now let us check how the napkin is dispensed with the help of the availability window. As you can see, right now there is no napkin in the collection window. Now I will put in the 5 rupees coin in the slot and I will turn the knob 3 times and you will see the napkin being dispensed through the availability window. The napkin is dispensed and now we will collect it from the collection window. So this is the working of our sanitary napkin vending machine manual. Thank you.
Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.